Welcome to the best picks. The best Pizza Hut gift cards is probably one of the most sought-after presents for pizza lovers, offering a delightful and flexible way to enjoy everyone's favorite cheesy goodness. Whether it's a casual weeknight dinner, a celebratory gathering with friends, or a thoughtful present for a loved one, Pizza Hut gift cards provide a delicious and hassle-free solution, allowing recipients to choose their own pizza masterpieces from a wide array of mouth-watering options, from classic pepperoni to gourmet veggie delights. Number 5. Domino's eGift Card. Give the perfect gift for pizza lovers. This Domino's eGift Card is easy to use and delivers deliciousness. It's simple to use. Just print the certificate or use the 19-digit gift card number and 4-digit PIN online, in-store, or over the phone. Order your favorite pizza online using your gift card. It's quick and convenient. Redeem it in any participating Domino's store. Just present it at checkout. Give your gift card number and PIN when ordering by phone. Enjoy your pizza. Remember, it cannot be returned or refunded, and it's only valid at participating U.S. Domino's locations. It also cannot be used to buy another gift card. What we like? It's easy to send and receive digitally. If you're looking for a quick and hassle-free gift, this is perfect. It's the ideal choice for busy people who value convenience and speed. What people say? Instant delivery, super convenient, and the recipient can choose whatever they want. Easy order and fast delivery to recipient. This card was sent as a gift and it was simple to send through email versus waiting for the physical card. No hassle. Number 4. Domino's gift card. Give the gift of delicious pizza with a Domino's gift card. It's the perfect present for pizza lovers. It can be used at any participating Domino's in the U.S. Just present it when you order. This gift card is perfect for ordering your favorite pizzas, sides, and drinks. It's a great way to treat yourself or someone special. Remember, it cannot be used to buy another gift card. It's for pizza purchases only. There are no returns or refunds on gift cards. Please keep it in a safe place. Get yours today and share the joy of Domino's Pizza. What we like? It's a physical card you can hold and give. If you prefer a more traditional and personal gift-giving experience, this is for you. It's a great option for those who appreciate a more hands-on approach to gifting. What people say? Came promptly from Amazon delivery. As described. Checked balance and it works. Gift card arrived fast and is what was shown on the website. Number 3. Papa John's eGift Card. Looking for the perfect present? It's always a good idea to give the gift of pizza. This eGift card is the perfect solution for those hard-to-buy for people on your list. Papa John's is known for its quality. With this gift card, your recipient can enjoy delicious pizza made with better ingredients. Sending this eGift card is simple and convenient. Your recipient can redeem it easily at any participating Papa John's location. Birthdays, holidays, or just because, it's the ideal gift for pizza lovers. Show your appreciation with a delicious treat. It can be redeemed in the U.S., including Alaska and Hawaii. Please note that it cannot be returned or refunded. Surprise your loved ones with a Papa John's eGift card. They'll thank you for it. What we like? It's sent digitally and can be used anywhere. If you need a last-minute gift or want to send it across the country, this is perfect. It's the best option for those who value flexibility and ease of use. What people say? It came within 5 minutes and was ready accessible to use. Super convenient way to send a gift card as a gift to someone. They received it right away. I love that it is virtual, which means no paper or plastic to keep track of. I also love that it comes within 5 minutes of me purchasing it. Number 2. Papa John's gift card. Looking for the perfect present? It's always a good idea to give the gift of pizza. This gift card is sure to please. Papa John's uses only high-quality ingredients to make delicious pizzas. It's the perfect gift for pizza lovers. Stuck on what to get someone? This gift card is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's always a crowd pleaser. It can be redeemed at any Papa John's location in the United States, including Alaska and Hawaii. Make sure to check the balance online. Please note that this gift card cannot be returned or refunded. So choose your amount carefully. With a Papa John's gift card, you're giving the gift of delicious pizza. It's a simple and thoughtful present that everyone will appreciate. What we like? It's a physical card that shows you care. If you want to give a more personal and memorable gift, this is the one. It's a great choice for those who appreciate a thoughtful and tangible present. What people say. It's a gift card. Good gift if the recipient likes pizza. Works great. So easy to give and so nice to receive. Number 1. CPK Gift Card. Give the gift of California Pizza Kitchen. It's the perfect present for pizza lovers and foodies alike. With it, they can choose from hearth-baked pizzas, delicious pastas, fresh salads, and so much more. Whether it's a birthday, holiday, or just because, this gift card is always a great option. It can be used for dine-in, take-out, or even catering, offering ultimate flexibility. Families will love the award-winning CP Kids menu, ensuring a delightful experience for everyone. This gift card is redeemable at all participating California Pizza Kitchen restaurants in the U.S. Remember, it cannot be returned or refunded. What we like? It offers a wide variety of menu options. If you are looking for a gift that provides a more diverse and sophisticated dining experience, this is it. It's the perfect choice for those who appreciate high-quality ingredients and a more upscale dining atmosphere. What people say. Got this for my uncle and aunt for the holidays. They have a CPK in a mall near them that they love to go to after they walk around the mall. Gift card came to me very quickly and was simple to send to them. Out-of-state family loves CPK, can't get the gift card where I live, getting it on Amazon makes it easy and quick, sending it to them. This was sent to a friend who lost her son to coronavirus to provide a dinner for the family. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.